Well, I had to take down a few trees on the way in, but this is the first time being able to get the truck back to the campsite. So today's project is going to be to clear out quite a few trees up here where you pull in. That way you have a good turnaround area. Luckily, a lot of you mentioned I was using a pretty inadequate saw for the work I'm trying to do back here, so I did upgrade to a pro saw that's going to make this a breeze. We're going to take these trees down. I don't have the skid steer back here today, so we're just going to get the trees down, and then I can do cleanup probably tomorrow. Well, the manual said it takes about 5 to 10 tanks of gas to feel the full power of the saw, but it's got plenty of power after one tank. So we're going to keep pressing forward with the work back here. A good clearing right up on top of this hill here where cabin could be built. So really excited about that. And our campsite might need a new name. If you got a good one, I don't know if it's cowboy camp, off-grid cabin, cozy cabin, but something like that is where there's already been some sketches and designs, and that's going to be really exciting moving forward.